What if I told you that the most unreliable part of your 3D printer didn't need to exist? I'm Olof from Bondtech, and today we're looking at the business end of the INDX toolhead. In a world of failing heated cartridges and fragile thermistor wires, we decided to do something different. We moved to a completely passive tool system. That means no wires and a massive jump in reliability. Instead, the INDX uses induction heating. The nozzle is heated wirelessly and incredibly fast. This results in rapid heat-up times and, more importantly, a significantly lower moving mass. And lower cool-down time means less time for your polymer to degrade and ooze. Because there are fewer wires constantly flexing at the toolhead, you eliminate a very common point of failure in modern toolheads. But how do we control it? The temperature is sensed completely wirelessly as well. This combination of induction and wireless sensing makes your printing tool lightweight, simple, and incredibly robust. It's a cleaner and smarter way to handle the business end of your 3D printer. Stay tuned for our next video in this series, where we dive deep into all things INDX.